can tell he like, man, this gas won't work. Shut up. I ain't even peep up on E. Oh shit. Did you say what's going on, man? It's your boy Quad. Y'all know to subscribe to my Patreon. A lot of people been asking me, yo, how you start your clothing line? Yo, how you get your credit score up? Yo, how'd you repair credit? Yo, how'd you get approved for the SRT? How'd you get approved for the Malibu? Yo, how'd you get approved for the Ford? Yo, how'd you get approved for the Camry? The score up in less than 30 days. So forth. I'm doing this. I am starting my Patreon where I'll be breaking down everything I'm doing in section episodes, step by step, holding your hand along the way. Any questions or things of that nature that you want to learn, please shoot me a DM on Instagram at WaleCEO, and then subscribe to the Patreon where I'll be talking about it in more in-depth detail. It's your boy Quad, and we checking out. What going on, man? POV. Back here again, man, cutting up with traffic. You hear me? I got a couple clips from Instagram I had on my Instagram and shit, so make sure you go follow me on the gram at WaleCEO. You feel me? That's where all my cutting up clips be. I feel like every time I'm on this thing, like, I get a couple of hard moves, you feel me? We definitely trying to get the traffic, man. Definitely got some undies out here, but listen, man, tight mood I'm in today? Shit, I don't give a fuck. But I'm let y'all reason go. This little POV is like, I'm gonna like let y'all be quiet. Let me know in the comment section if y'all hear the little in the background. Taking these rims off actually probably like today. So gotta stay tuned, man. Reasons why you shouldn't put 22-inch rims with 275s in your car, man. Shit don't. The performance is not really worth it. Like, I ain't gonna lie, like, the boat heavy, bro. Like, boat definitely heavy, man. Stressing the trains and all that, like. So, like, I don't be wanting to. I'm gonna take these things off, man, because, feel me, shit not good for my car, type shit. And I know I'm probably overdue with some brakes. I gotta get some brakes next week. All the way around. Shit gonna rip my pocket like 300. 300 all the way around, you feel me? But gotta get done. I hate when this, what's today, Sunday, Monday? I don't know. I think it's Monday morning traffic, bro. It's like the worst. But it's kind of good because give me more competitors in the road, you feel me? So I can buy the weed, traffic, cut up, you feel me? Just try to get some spinning in the name. So I can get some spinning in the name. But yeah, man, cannot complain, man. You feel me? I hate when people drive like this. Like, all this space. And you choose to be next to me. You don't get up there, bruh. Feel me? Like, is that a hawk? That's a hawk. That's a hawk up there. Yo, it's like I be recording right on time, bro. That's a fucking hawk. You know what the SRT gonna do though? They gonna hawk them down. You feel me? Big boat gonna hawk them down. Hawk them down. Feel me? Yeah, it's a Hellcat. Hellcat emblem on it, baby. That thing go hard. And then you got this dicky ass truck beside me. It's always a commercial car. Trucks. You got the Benz, look, smoking a cig, early morning type shit, while we dick eating type shit, you feel me? Look, and I hate, let me know if y'all hate this, bro. I hate cigarette smokers. Swear to God. Like, you smoke a cigarette, don't touch me. Your fingers got diseases. Yo, this traffic. Credit card got enough space to get around. Type shit. So he's trying to eat his morning breakfast in his black man. go. The heavy braking. Let me know if I can hear that shit. Like, that shit really be annoying the fuck out of me. I'm gonna take these rims off. This thing. Today, right now. You feel me? Up to him. See if he cut with me. That thing was hard though. That junk go hard, you feel me? That junk go hard, no kidding. But nice little POV, man. I hate when I put my sunroof back though. I feel like the car get lighter. That junk go hard, bro. I can't wait to get one. Coming real soon, man. As a white man. Amazing credit. Amazing, immaculate credit. I gotta get my thumbnail though. Gotta get my thumbnail. Gotta get my thumbnail, man. Gotta get the thumbnail. Can't never go wrong, bruh. Gotta get the thumbnail all times, man. Look, I ain't gonna lie, man. Working out the city, I wanna move out the city, bruh. Like, cause it be the people that got the nice ass cars like that go to the city. Like, no kidding in the name, you feel me? That motherfucker put motivation through me, bro. Look how sexy that motherfucker look, bro. Look how sexy that motherfucker look, bro. And you know he ain't tripping. He like, man, this motherfucker SRT, you can put him to work. But listen, this ain't stock, buddy. All right, you know what I'm saying? You feel me? But, let's see if he get behind me, though. I'm trying to see if he get behind me. You know how we do it, man. Look. Ain't no excuse for YouTube, man. We being consistent. We on the motherfucking iPhone with the POV. Damn! Yeah, baby! I want him to get in front so I can get behind him. Supercharged. Damn! Ooh, see that boy license plate? That motherfucker go hard. Trackhawk. You can tell he been in the game for a long time. Supercharged, he don't even got to do too much. That motherfucker, he keep that bitch stock. Look, you feel me? I can't wait to get my motherfucking Hawk, man. Look, before the Hawk though, we gotta go SRT truck. It's only right. We go SRT Charger. We gonna try to skip the Scat and go Hellcat. You feel me? Then at the Hellcat, we're going to go... No. We're going to SRT Charger. Right? SRT Jeep. You feel me? Then we're going to go Hellcat. You feel me? And this, I'm telling y'all this, bro. Mark my words, bro. We're going to go SRT Charger. We're going to go SRT Jeep. You feel me? Then we're going to go Hellcat. You feel me? Then we're going to go Trackhawk. You feel me? Then we're going to go Demon. That's how it's going to go, bro. You feel me? My Malibu I may trade it for SRT truck. Let me know, man. Let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. But you can tell he like, man, this gas on. Oh shit, I'm on E. I ain't even peep I'm on E. Oh shit. And it just say low fuel. I gotta get off somewhere. I'ma catch y'all when I get to the gas station. I need the max. I gotta get to the gas station. And I know this next exit is a gas station. Listen, man, look. I ain't never telling y'all boys be illegal, but we're gonna be illegal today, man. You feel me? We gotta get how we live. We gotta
watch out, vehicle on shoulder ahead.
Good looking. Where he at? So I need to make it to the gas station. I'm directly on E. Alright, the next exit is a gas station. Gas light came on. Look, man. I ain't never telling y'all boys do illegal stuff, but next exit is a gas station. I'm gonna have to cut it up all the way up the turn. You feel me? I might have to. Ooh, let me see. I gotta get down there. All right, we out. Ooh. Come on, twin. Don't do me like that, twin. Get out my way, twin. Feel me, twin? I can take gas, twin. No killing the name, twin. We made it, twin. We made it, twin. Nigga, we made it, twin. You feel me? You feel me, twin? Nigga, we done made it, nigga. We done made it to motherfucking gases. Look, man. Y'all better like this video, man. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. Get this video about, like, goddamn, get that motherfucker, like, get this video to goddamn, like, 10 likes for the next POV, man. Man, so we back. They put 40 on it. You feel me? I ain't gonna go through too crazy. $40 is only $10 away from full. We're gonna see what we can get from. I'm gonna tell y'all. So somebody asked me in the comment section, like, do a video on how much it takes to get it to halfway mark, over the halfway mark, and then to full. You feel me? So I'm gonna do a video right now about it because we raced the Trackhawk on a I-96 on E. So, all right. So I'm gonna do a little review while I'm at it because I might as well squeeze all this in the same vid. You feel me? Well, nah, we're gonna do that next video. I'm gonna just cut this out, cut that little part out. But I'm gonna tell you how much it costs. So I put 40 on 3. I usually get like over the halfway mark with 40. So I'm gonna let y'all boys know how much it costs. You feel me? Where I get at off of 40. But let me know if y'all fuck with the channel, man. Like I've been seeing y'all fuck with the videos, man. You feel me? So let me see what y'all want to see next, man. Feel me? Like, comment, subscribe to the YouTube channel, man. We're in the road to 1K. Feel me? After 1K, we go 2K. After 2K, we go SRTG. After SRTG, we go 3K. And after 4K, we go Hellcat. You feel me? And after 4K, we go 5K. And then 6K, we go 7K. And we go 10K, we go Demon. You feel me? Just like that. Just like that. 10K, we go Demon. Every couple subscribe. Every 2,000 subscribers, we switch up the car. So after 2K, we go SRT Jeep. And after 4K, we go SRT Charger. So we're gonna get rid of this SRT Charger, get another SRT Charger. And after that, from there, after that, we're gonna get after that SRT Charger and SRT Jeep. We're gonna check that SRT Jeep, and then we go motherfucking wild body. But man, make sure I like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. That's what I've been doing. I've been doing real good with being consistent, man. So like I said, a consistent quad is a scary quad. So we put 40 in here, man. We're gonna put it back on the pump. Like, oh yeah, for y'all boys who don't know, man, only gas station I be going to is Wawa and Sunoco. They're the only gas station I go to. Wawa and Sunoco. I try not to do no off-brand like Loop Oil, shit like that. They don't got good gas, so we gonna see where it's at. So it got to the halfway mark. So for those who not know, now know. Look at how many miles to empty. 134 miles to empty. And when you do $40 of premium, it gets you to the halfway mark. So another $10 will put you at the full.